Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be making a Continental buttercream. Now I have actually got a video coming up very shortly which contains a cream, and this one is very close to what I used to make years ago. Now this is taken from my book from 1948. Now I have got lots of books, and in this we've got about 40 different recipes on cream, and this is the one that I actually like, and this is one I've already done a little bit of a test on it just to make sure it was the right one for me. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and don't forget your recipe is in the description below the video, and also you'll find a numbers of playlists of recipes that I've previously done. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. And for your recipe you want 180 grams of caster sugar, 42 grams of egg yolks, 180 grams of unsalted butter, and 56 grams of boiling hot water. The important thing is to get your butter at room temperature, also your eggs at room temperature as well. Don't forget you need your boiling hot water, and also another good thing you could do with is the thermometer. This is just to check your temperature. Right, what we need now is a saucepan and a hob. And the first thing we need to do is put our water into our saucepan. Because this is nice and hot, this will get at the temperature a lot quicker. Add in our sugar. Now we want to heat this up so it's 116 Celsius. But we don't want to overboil it. Now all we need to do is dissolve the sugar. So as soon as you hit that 116 Celsius, you need to just take it off the heat. And that's it. So we've now reached our temperature. So it's all nice and dissolved. So the next thing we need is our mixer. So if you've got one of these beaters, they're just ideal for this job. And we'll fit this onto the machine. Now into the bowl, you want to add in your eggs and put in your hot liquid. And we're going to get this mixing straight away on medium speed. Now we want to keep mixing this until it gets nice and white. This can take up to around about 10 minutes. Right, it's now ready. So all we need to do now is take it out the bowl and put it into a separate pot. Now we want to set this aside so it goes nice and cold. So the next thing we're going to do is add in our butter. So we've got our butter in. Now we need to do is mix this up so it's nice and light. And when it's white, it's ready. You can now knock it up onto top speed if you want. I wouldn't go too heavy with it because these motors aren't made for it. Now it's nice and light, we'll start adding in the egg mixture. Right, we'll start mixing it. Going about second speed. And we'll start adding in our mixture. Now you want to get this nice and light now. Well, the cream's ready. So what we'll do now is transfer it into another container ready for use. Well, there you go folks, wasn't that nice and easy? A straightforward buttercream with a bit of a twist. Now the important part with this recipe is cooking up your sugar and your water, and once that's nice and hot, when you mix it in with your eggs, you're actually cooking your eggs really. And if you like this sort of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, your recipe is in the description. And also, while you're down there, you'll find some playlists which are recipes waiting for you guys. And we'll see you again very shortly in the Crazy Baker kitchen on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!